How to give access to Google Forms. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to give access to your Google Forms so others can either view or edit it. Whether you're collaborating with the team or sharing your form with participants, I've got you covered, so let's dive right in. First things first, open the Google form that you have created and find the form you want to give access to and click on it to open it. Once your form is open, tap on the send button at the top of the screen. From here, you can choose the responses. Here, simply tap on copy link and you can send it to the person to whom you want to share the form with. The next thing we can do is give edit access to collaborators. Here, you can simply choose to give someone access to edit the form like a collaborator. Simply choose the email ID of the person, or you can simply click on copy responder link as well. You can also tap on shorten URL to simply copy it and send it to the person you want to send to. And that's it. That's how you can simply and easily give access to your Google Forms and share it with others.